Good morning. This is Don Martin. I am with the Reasonable Realtor, thereasonablerealtor.com. It is a website. It is a place where you can get a lot of information on selling your house, even if you're thinking about selling your own house. Talked to a gentleman yesterday whose house was sold in 6 hours. Um, Couple of days ago, we've got people that houses were sold in a week or a few days, handful of days. May take a few extra days for the appraisal, but their house was sold. Like I say, yesterday, this guy's house was sold in 6 hours. Pretty good. Things are hot in real estate right now. And I know a lot of you are thinking to yourself, gosh, why would I pay a real estate agent when I can do this myself and save that listing commission? I've got to admit that is a valid question. That's a question that we try to answer on our website, thereasonablerealtor.com. Go there, take a look at it. My name is Don Martin. Like I say, I am licensed and certified in the state of Tennessee. If you go to some place that's got a big national map, they're just going to refer your business back to the state where your property is, because property is statewide. It's traded statewide in America. I'm licensed. I am certified in the state of Tennessee, from Memphis to Knoxville to Chattanooga, Nashville. Please, if you get a chance, subscribe. This little red button right over here. Subscribe to this website, this YouTube channel. Um, it would help me quite a bit, and I think that you would enjoy it. Give it a thumbs up if you would. If you've got a question or a comment, leave them down here below in the comment section. I will put down there, I will put an URL, I'll put an address where you can just click on it and go to the website. If you would watch this video to the very end, you will get a nice surprise. I do thank you for joining me again. Today I'm talking about Red Bank. Red Bank, that's over near Chattanooga. There are a lot of people there just Googling, looking for a flat fee broker. Please just give me a call. I'm 10 digits away. If you got questions, I will help any way I can. Thanks.